Daily life. I wake up at 5 a.m. After that, I praying and reading the Bible. After praying, I check my phone for about 15 minutes, and then I cook rice. At 6 a.m., I wash my face, and after that, I tidy up my bed. At 6:13 a.m., I go to a nearby market to buy food, and at 6:45 a.m., I have breakfast. After finishing breakfast, I take a shower. At 7:13 a.m., I leave for a campus. And at the intersection, I wait for my friends to walk together to campus. At 7:45 a.m., I arrive at the campus and attend lectures until they finish. After the lecture, I hang out with my friends before returning to my boarding house. We usually work on assessment or chat. After finishing hanging out, I return to my boarding house and take a short rest while playing with my phone. I take a shower at 6 p.m. and at 7 p.m. I go out to find a food at 6:13 p.m. I have dinner, and after finishing dinner, I play with my phone again. I pray and read the Bible before sleeping at 9:13 p.m. and then I sleep at 10 p.m.